This time on Irate Garage, I'm replacing the hood ornament on my 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. Why? Because I'm waiting on parts for everything else, and this is the only thing I can do right now. Let's get into it. Well, there's the old Defender, and as you can see, it's pretty gnarly looking. And we're gonna replace it with that one, which isn't perfect. It's got a little age to it. Oh, God, that thing weighs, God damn, that thing weighs a lot. We have to get to those quick nut things. There's one there, and there's one up there. There it is. I think these are 3/8. Yeah. So, whoops, did that one come off? It did, and it went somewhere. Alright, right there. Now I'm kind of bummed out I lost the one. Kind of shut this here. Oh, does that slip in underneath that piece of trim? Certainly acts like it, doesn't it? Just going to loosen up the next nut. Oh, it's a little off. Hang on. Deep socket was kicking me off center. I don't actually want to take that one off because it is kind of holding things together. Yeah, I think what I want and what is actually going to happen are two different things. I don't want to take that off because it looks like an absolute mofo to get back on, but I don't think I can do this without taking it off. I'm going to put a little grease on the socket here, which I should have done before. There we go. Just like that. Hold that so it doesn't snap. Boom. Not too bad. So if we look at that, it's like a little, we have a spring, and there's like a wire, I guess is what you would call it. And then it comes up to like this little cup thing, and it kind of hooks on there. So what we're gonna endeavor to do is to unload the spring so that we can get that cup off of there and not have everything fly across the shop. But I gotta figure out how I'm going to unload that, because I also have to do the reverse and put it back together again. This is quite the little puzzle. I wonder if this trim tool will do the job here. Wow, that's way longer than I thought it was. That's what she said. There we go. Spin it. Comes off. Perfection. I hope you guys were able to see that. Now that we have that apart, see, there's like a little, if we look on this guy here, there's like a little slot. And so when this is on the spring, that little pin is in the slot, like so. So you decompress it, spin that around to the open bit, and off she comes. Well, that was finicky enough. Jeez. I need a drink after that. So now I want to make sure we orient the new one with the old here, same way This is just kind of a spring steel. Just stick the screwdriver in like so and just give her a little boop. That's all it takes. Just open it up just a hair. This stuff is all tricky to show. There we go. Boom. Just like that. This is all super finicky and fudgy stuff. I guarantee there's a tool somewhere, probably listed in the manual, that is specifically made for this job. I mean, I really don't want to put this in a vise. I guess I could. There we go. Got it. Awesome. Excellent. That's what I'm talking about. Just like that. All right. So, put it in a vise. It makes that a lot easier. Just make sure you have a rag so you don't damage anything. Now one would assume that installation is reversible removal. I did actually find that missing quick nut, which if I showed you guys, these things are kind of, it looks like a nut. It's just a piece of stamped spring steel with a slot. And then the threads they go on are very kind of funky, right? You want to be firm but careful when you put these on because they're just kind of finicky. Reach under, push up on that trim. Take the other one, it's got a tang on it. It's got to slide in there. There we go. Ooh, that looks good already. Ooh. Now, gently open it up. I still have the quick nut that was on the main piece of trim. That one is actually threaded a little more like an actual bolt. And I wouldn't even try to tighten those things. I just go till they bottom. Like I said, got a little grease in the socket there. That way you can put those on and they don't fall off. For whatever reason, the hood ornament itself was easier with a deep well socket. Again, just go till it bottoms. And that one was a little loose after I tightened up the other two. Let me clean some stuff up, put it away, and we'll see what that hood ornament looks like. These Eldorados have what I think is one of the coolest and scariest hood closing sounds of any vehicle ever. You don't even got to slam it. You just got to let it go. Right about there. Bam! Keep your important bits out of that. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is a beauty. Look at it. Majestic and glorious. I've owned this car for 10 years, and I have put that off for, well, 10 years. And I still got to do the trunk latch. That's just as baked out as the hood ornament was. But that's going to be a little more complicated because there's I got to drill out rivets and do that sort of thing in order to get it out. And you know what? Sometimes you have to stop and do the dumb stuff. Sometimes you have to relax and just do the dumb little thing that's going to make you happy. I have to get some bolts and washers that'll actually work with my chrome valve covers for that car there, and I'm waiting for UPS to get done having its way with the parts I'm waiting for on that one. In a way, it was kind of like the universe telling me to stop and just do something stupid. Do something simple that's going to make me happy. And sometimes that's all it takes. That might be the thing that you need to just keep from losing your mind. Be it on a project or what is basically a daily. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Something super simple and easy. Realistically, I have 4-5 videos in the works that are waiting for the resolution to the videos. Nothing was done, nothing was ready, and I want to keep content rolling. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. If you look right here, I will pick a video out just for you. You be safe, and I'll catch you over there.